Today we bring for you our new achievement, Smart Bone Conduction Smart Glasses. With these glasses you can use in silence. There is no sound leakage, and there's a free multi-dimensional adjustment for you choose the best position, like here. To make the vibrator work with the best performance, we developed a totally new bone conduction driver. And this new design bone conduction driver is lower in power consumption and smaller in size. By adopting our patent vibrator driver, there is no sound leakage at all. So when you are on phone or listen to some music, the people around you can't listen any single sound. So there's nothing to worry for bothering other people, and the people will never listen to what you are hearing. So how can Apollo bring the best audio experience? After 3 years of research and inspiration, we found the best acoustical position. In this position, the sound transmission loss is very low. So we get a super clear and perfect sound. In this area is where we put the vibrator. In terms of sound performance, Apollo has two different modes. One is music mode, which is well tuned for enjoying music. The another one is gaming mode, set with low latency, which is perfect for playing games or watching videos under the protection of blue light blocking lenses. By switching to this mode, you will enjoy stunning and exciting gaming experience, which may be helpful to be a winner in the games. With the ANC technology based on dual mic, it's super clear talking on the phone, and no matter how noise is the surrounding, you can talk and listen at ease anywhere. Apollo has a longer battery life, which can support continuous working for 7 hours. Apollo is designed to carry replaceable frames, both for sunglasses and clear glasses. Sunglasses with anti-UV lenses is perfect for outdoor purpose, with the glasses with blue light blocking clear lenses is the style which you can use for gaming or watching videos.